Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is the power of true friendship. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. It is very important in our life to find good friends and share moments with them. In this title slide we will play with colors brown and green. We will find an image that will be related to our topic and will have the colors that we chose to put. First we will color the background. Right click Format Background, Solid Fill, we go to Color, Eyedropper, and we choose the color that we want from the left side outside of the design area. Then we will play with rectangles and change their shape. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Rectangle, click in the design area from the upper left corner to the lower right side corner of the slide. Now we want to go and right click Edit Points, right click Add Point, and we adjust with the help of the white dots. Click to the black point, right click Add Point, right click Edit Points, right click Add Point, we click outside to see the final result. We want another changes. Right click Edit Points, click outside to see the final result. It is nice. Now we want to insert our image. We go to Insert, Pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. We go and with the help of the crop command, Picture Format Crop, we choose click outside of the design area, right click Cut, click the shape that we have created, picture or texture fill, click Clipboard. Shape format, shape outline, no outline. Now we want to add the same shape with a color. Right click, copy, right click, paste. We go to Format Picture, Fill, Solid Fill, with color we choose the eyedropper and we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Right click, Send to Back. Right click, copy, right click, paste. Color fill, solid fill, color, eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area. Right click, Send to Back. Let's be more specific. Then again right click copy, right click paste, format shape, we choose solid fill color eyedropper, we choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area, right click, send to back. Nice. Then again right click copy, right click paste, we go to format shape, solid fill color eyedropper, we choose the fourth color from the left side outside of the design area, right click, send to back. And now we want to insert our title. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose from home ribbon Arial rounded empty ball, size 40, and color with eyedropper the last color from the text. And we write our title, shift apostrophe, forever, bonded, the power of true friendship. Close apostrophe. Now we will insert our presenter's name. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to home ribbon, we choose Arial rounded empty ball, size 20, color with eyedropper the last color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our presenter's name, Martha G. Santos. And we put it, center the text, and we put it in the desired position. Now it's time for animations. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. We go to the image, animation, entrance fade, start with previews, duration 0.50. We go to the second shape, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options float up as it is. We go to the brown shape, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options float up as it is. We go to the lila, light purple shape, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options float up as it is. We go to the light green shape, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options float up as it is. We go to the title, entrance float in, duration 1, start after previews, effect options float up as it is as one object. and we go to the presenter's name, entrance float in, start after previous, duration on 1, effect options float up as one object as it is. And now we click at the slideshow button to see the final result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We're waiting for you in the next video. Bye!